and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact. This duty. I bought it for this price in Denmark, which is 299 kroner. My name is Brian, I'm from Denmark. Hello, nice to see you again. I'm just coming with, I've got a ton of things to tell you this. First of all, I may have a new channel coming up, and this video actually may be released on that channel or it will be released on this old channel. There I will be unboxing and I will be reviewing new computers and it could also be gadgets, but mostly I think new phones. That's most realistic. Anyhow, stay around, click subscribe, check it out. And all sorts of things to just follow in my tracks as I do that. First of all, I'm going to talk about the price tag. The price tag was very funny. That's because they, of course, sold it with a contract. But still, and you may say, hey, why are you buying a 1.5-year-old from release phone? And then I'm going to say to you, did you forget it was a top line telephone? It was the top of the line telephone. So you get with this phone, you get the ability to record, for instance, in 4K. By the way, the contract was it's about you got about 5 times the amount of this. Is the complete contract. Yeah, that's exactly the phone inclusive with the contract inclusive is 5 times this amount. So it's gonna be 1,500 kroners. So anyhow, the unboxing has begun. Nothing special to see here. It's so very funny this. I've actually, the reason why I chose this one, I could also have actually chosen the old one. Or its bigger brother, both its bigger brothers, the XZ1 and the XZ1 Premium were on the same deals. The Premium was sold out very quick, so I didn't get to buy that one. Excuse me for the very dull weather today. I'm so sorry about that. Anyhow, as always, unboxing videos is just to see if things looks alright, nothing damaged, and so forth. This is actually, I hope, very much gonna be my new primary video recorder, as I'm going to be setting up. I've bought in various stuff too. And now I'm going to quickly move on. To set up my new studio, I'm going to have soft boxes, some better lighting. For instance, this bloody dark day, it's going to have much better lighting. What do we have there in this package? And I've also bought, let's just see. Oh, it's just the usual manual. What is that? It's Xperia Care. What is that? You can press pause to watch what that is. And then there's, of course, if you live in Russia, Nastrovia, Spasiba. Press like if you're from Russia. Other way. Why do they even put all these kind of leaflets in? What is that? Is that Palistes Vado? I think that would be, my guess would be Spanish. Anyhow, press like if you're from Spain.
Run by a guide.
有导游经营
Der installationsvejledning. That is Danish or Norwegian. Hard to tell actually. We're from very closely related in our native tongues, or whatever you call a language. Check out Paul from the Lang Focus channel if you want to learn a lot about language. You know, this is how it looks. Is there something noisy about? I don't think there's going to be anything more than this. Oh, so yeah, it was about as boring as it could get. Was there no cord for this? There should be like a cord. Oh, there was. We gotta have the goddamn cord, otherwise we won't be charging shit. Whoa, there it is, of course. Okay, I'll try to pump in some useful information now. So, everything looks alright. This is, of course, the Central Europe adapter and the USB. and everything is gonna be fine and iffy-diffy. Iffy-diffy, is that a good word?
如果不好意思
Well, anyhow, I am gonna be powering this on as soon as I figure out how to do it. Please do subscribe because the review will be coming up shortly, and in that review I will have two girls going from trying to use this phone as a daily driver for 1 week, okay? This is going nowhere. Still gonna try to turn this on. I'm just gonna keep pressing the button. As I was saying about my new channel, it's gonna be called User-Friendly Tech Reviews. And the first thing I've noticed right off the bat with this phone is, how do you turn it on? And normally you say that is pretty straightforward with a phone, wouldn't you? But as you can see, it's not bleeding obvious as everything, as always. So my new channel is going to be very much focused on usability. So the thing is going to be working, and we're going to always have opinions from one or more people who will be reviewing the product, right? One or more people, that is not a very good guarantee. But anyhow, the one being me, it should be sufficient. Press like if you're from Scandinavia.
Sisu! If you're from Finland.
Oh, press like if you're from the UK. Anyhow, subscribe if you're from India. I see the stats for my channel, and I'm really big in India for some reason.
Subscribe if you're from India.
You know why I think this is not... Oh, I found the power on button. It was this large intestine. It was... No, not an intestine, but that thing. Right there. That knob. That was also, I know, the fingerprint button. So, in this unboxing, I'm going to rant like I did right now. They're not going to be as formal, but the reviews are going to be straight to the core. That's going to be the wow factor. Do you know the wow factor? What are the best features of a product I'm reviewing? Check it out. Please do subscribe. I'm going to end this off. Thank you very much for your patience. Hey, by the way, of course, we're also going to check the size comparison. For this little phone, as it is a little phone, we will be comparing it. And I know one of the users who will be trying it. She is actually an iPhone SE user. The iPhone, this is a 3.5 inch screen, so the SE is actually 4.0. I thank you so much for your time, and I really hope you press like if you're from Africa. Okay, and subscribe if you're from the US. I'm gonna end this right now with a smug smile on my face because I bought this for a very reasonable price.